Hi guys, come with me and my roommates to distress after a long semester. This is my first time I'm going on a train ride from Kitchener to Toronto, and guys, guess what? Our Uber was a ram Ford. Can you imagine? And it was amazing. I was a little, excited because it was my first time on a train, but my people had already been on trains before, so I was quite tensed, but it was all good. So Kim had her sister come over from Ireland to visit, so they went to the aquarium whilst Chinoy and I decided to roam at the Eaton Mall. If you're definitely around Toronto downtown, I'd advise that you take a quick trip to Eaton Mall. It is so huge, and I'm not sure if I still want to continue with the voiceover, but I just want you guys to enjoy the aesthetics of it. So I know I've been inactive, but school has been stressing me out and I needed to distress. So this particular vacation I decided to take a break and just enjoy and distress from all life stresses. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more of these. Bye.